Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows 10 mail app error code 0x80000b problem. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to open mail app on your Windows 10 computer, and after that click on accounts button, and now click on add account over there on your right side corner, and you will get this window. So you have to scroll down, and after that you have to select advanced setup. Now you have to select the second option, which is internet email. Now you have to put your email address over there. So in this case I will put my email address, and after that put your username. You can put any username, so I will put here Tapanaja second. Now you have to put your password over there, and after that account name you can put anything, so I will put here Gmail, and again Gmail, and incoming server you have to put here imap.gmail.com, then semicolon 993. After that you have to choose account type. In this case you have to choose here imap4. Now on SMTP server you have to put here smtp gmail.com, then 465. After that make sure that all these options are checked, and after that click on sign in. So it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.